Hello friends, I have a theory and I will support my theory by certain documents. I have uh, put the links in the description for to support my theory. What I am saying is the protozoa Giardia, which is present in cats, is the key to fight COVID-19 because I have put the links in the description, the research papers and all that. Uh, and Japan has the lowest, one of the lowest COVID deaths, despite it has the highest old age people in the world. The population of old age people are higher, but the deaths are very lower. So what I think is Japan is a cat nation. Majority of the people in Japan, especially in Tokyo, they have cats in their home. So the protozoa which is present in the cats, which is called Giardia, may contribute in immunity against COVID-19. I don't say that it is immunity, but it provides some help on fighting COVID-19. I will explain the mechanism. What I am saying is coronavirus, COVID-19 virus, especially the outer layer, needs fats to, if a RNA, if the virus RNA build itself, so it needs fats or fatty acids from the our cells. So what I think is the Giardia, which is a protozoa, if it lives in our intestine, it will draw out the all the fats from the body, and we will get diarrhea from the protozoa. It has its own risk, but it is mild and self-limiting disease. Giardiasis, they say that it's a self-limiting disease. So what I think is, even I have experienced that. I have 4 cats in my home. So last year my grandmother was suffering from pancreatic cancer. So I roamed around every hospital and every ward and everything. So I did not get any COVID-19. And in the same time, I was uh, in my home. There are 4 cats, and I was cleaning their stools and all that. And I think I have got giardia at the same time. I had diarrhea. Uh, in the internet also I have checked that if you get the Gaia disease, you will have diarrhea and fatty diarrhea. All the fats in your body gets out from the diarrhea. So what I say is, if the fatty acids in our body is limited and the virus RNA doesn't get all the building blocks to build itself efficiently, so it will invade and you may get test positive, but the severity is reduced as the building blocks for the virus is not available efficiently. So I think the cats may help. And one more thing, many people say that the cats get COVID-19 positive, not the dogs. But I think cats get COVID positive, but that doesn't mean that they spread the virus. They help in another way. So, and I am attaching all the documents regarding the Japan's mysterious. BBC has reported that the Japan has low mysterious deaths from COVID-19, and uh, Giardiasis reactivation during severe SARS-CoV-2 infection This is another document, and another research paper. Research shows that intestinal parasite infestations reduce COVID-19 severity. In that, they have mentioned giardiasis also. So, what I think is scientists must research on this, and especially Giardia protozoa, which is self-limiting disease. So, what I think is those people who are very fat, they are most affected by the COVID-19 because the virus gets all the building blocks to build itself. So you must reduce the fats in your body to fight against COVID-19. That is what I am saying. Thank you.